The iPhone has a built-in feature that converts your voice to text, eliminating the need for external apps and saving you time when texting. To use this feature, you first need to enable dictation on your iPhone. This can be done by going to your settings, selecting General, then Keyboard, and ensuring that Enabled Dictation is turned on, which will be indicated by a green color. With dictation enabled, you can use the voice-to-text feature when writing messages, emails, or documents. For example, when writing a note, you can tap the microphone icon instead of typing, and the iPhone will directly convert your voice to text as you speak. To stop the dictation, simply tap the microphone icon again. It's essential to speak clearly and avoid background noise for the highest accuracy. If the iPhone misinterprets what you say, you can easily correct it by tapping on the text. This feature can be used in various apps, helping you to work faster and save time and effort. By utilizing this feature, you can quickly compose notes, send texts, and accomplish other tasks with greater ease and efficiency.